Join me as I try to create a jaw-dropping dark night scene using just my fingers. Let's see if I can pull it off. Today, I want to show you that with just a little creativity and some basic techniques, you can create a stunning piece of art using nothing but your fingers. It's amazing to think that something so simple can lead to breathtaking results. So many people out there think that creating a beautiful art piece requires expensive tools or extensive training. They believe that you need to be a skilled artist to produce something truly impressive. But the truth is, some of the most incredible art can be created with the simplest of tools, and I'm not just talking about the tools themselves, but also the skills required to use them. I mean, think about it, some of the most famous artists in history started out with nothing but a pencil and paper, and yet they were able to create masterpieces that would be revered for centuries to come. What this really comes down to is a misconception about what it means to be creative. People often think that creativity is about having some kind of innate talent or ability, when in reality, it's about experimentation, perseverance, and a willingness to take risks. With this mindset, even the most basic tools can become instruments of artistic expression. The fact is, anyone can create something beautiful, regardless of their background or training. You don't need to be a skilled artist to produce something that's visually stunning, you just need to be willing to try. And that's exactly what we're going to do today. We're going to take a blank piece of paper and turn it into a dark night scene, using nothing but our fingers. Let's get started. The first step is to create the base color for our night sky. I'm using a dark blue, almost black, mixture to give it a deep, rich tone. I'm applying it to the paper in gentle, sweeping motions, making sure to cover the entire surface. Next, I'm going to add some shading to give the sky some depth and dimension. I'm using a slightly lighter shade of blue, and I'm applying it in small, circular motions. This helps to create a sense of movement and texture in the sky. Now we're going to add some stars to our night sky. I'm using a small amount of white paint and applying it to the paper in tiny dots. I'm trying to vary the size and spacing of the dots to give the impression of depth and distance. As we continue to build up the layers, we can start to see the night scene coming to life. The stars are twinkling, the sky is dark and mysterious, and we're starting to get a sense of atmosphere. Now that we have the basic elements in place, it's time to add some finishing touches. I'm going to add some subtle shading to the buildings in the distance, using a dark gray mixture to give them some depth and dimension. I'm also going to add some highlights to the windows, using a small amount of white paint to give them a sense of glow. As I step back and look at the finished piece, I'm blown away by how far we've come. What started as a blank piece of paper has been transformed into a stunning dark night scene, all thanks to a few simple techniques and some basic tools. Today, we learned that with a little creativity and some basic techniques, you can create something truly breathtaking using nothing but your fingers. Don't be afraid to experiment, take risks, and try new things, and most importantly, don't be afraid to get a little messy. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to see your own creations in the comments below. If you're looking for more artistic inspiration, be sure to check out my other videos for some amazing tutorials and tips.